fraud and obtaining services dishonestly. I'd like to talk to you now about some of the common fraud offences. The Fraud Act 2006 replaced the old deception offences, which were complex and becoming obsolete in the technological age, and replaced them with one offence of fraud, which can be committed in 3 ways. Fraud is an either-way offence carrying a maximum sentence of 10 years. Section 1 of the Fraud Act 2006 states that a person is guilty of fraud if he is in breach of any of the sections listed in subsection 2. The sections are Section 2, fraud by false representation. Section 3, fraud by failing to disclose information. And Section 4, fraud by abuse of position. I'd like to start by looking at fraud by false representation, which has 4 elements. The actus reus is to make the false representation. The mens rea elements are dishonesty, knowledge that the representation is or may be false, and intention to make a gain for themselves or cause a loss to another. I will now go through the elements of that offence. Dishonesty. The test for dishonesty was covered in detail during the tutorial on theft and comes now from the case of Ivy and Genting casinos.